Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Expert, your trusted source for the latest car reviews and updates. Today, we are diving into the world of compact SUVs with a sporty edge, the Renault Kiger Turbo. With its bold design, powerful performance, and feature-packed interior, the Kiger Turbo is one of the most exciting options in its segment. Let's explore everything the 2025 Renault Kiger Turbo has to offer and see if it's the right SUV for you. Body. Exterior design. The Renault Kiger Turbo stands out with its bold and athletic design, perfect for those who love a sporty look. The front is dominated by Renault's signature chrome-finished grille, flanked by sleek LED headlamps and C-shaped dials, giving it a modern and aggressive look. The side profile features sporty 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, muscular fenders, and a sloping roofline, adding to its dynamic appeal. The black cladding and silver roof rails enhance its SUV stance, while the dual-tone color options make it vibrant and eye-catching. At the rear, the Kiger Turbo features LED tail lamps with a bold design and a sculpted bumper with silver accents, completing its sporty and rugged aesthetic. With its dynamic styling and athletic stance, the Renault Kiger Turbo turns heads wherever it goes, safety and build quality. Renault has equipped the Kiger Turbo with advanced safety features to ensure peace of mind on every journey. The car comes with 4 airbags, dual front and side, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors as standard. Higher trims include a reverse parking camera, hill start assist, and traction control for added security. The Kiger Turbo's robust build and global NCAP 4-star safety rating make it a reliable and safe choice for families. With its advanced safety systems, the Renault Kiger Turbo keeps you and your loved ones secure. Outro. So, what do you think of the 2025 Renault Kiger Turbo? With its sporty performance, modern design, and feature-packed interior, this compact SUV is perfect for drivers who want style and excitement without breaking the bank. Whether it's city commutes or weekend getaways, the Kiger Turbo has you covered. Let us know in the comments if the Renault Kiger Turbo is the SUV for you. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.